Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So today I will explain about Lab 3 of Computer Organization and Architecture for question part C, part 1C. Okay, the program 1, this program is mainly want us to implement the loop and add. So, this first of all I will explain what the question asked me to do. So we have to get two values from the keyboard and then calculate both of the parameter is using this one. Okay, and then we have to add the two parameter using this formula, and the last one, output is display same like this, exactly the same as this. Okay, now let's look at the code to see how this is implemented. Okay, let's look straight at our variable inside the data segment. Okay, we have first site hex1 and site hex2, which this these are declared as D word. The question mark means they starts uninitialized. They will store our user input as 32 bits unsigned integers. Okay. Parameter hexagon 1 and hex 2 as well have D words as the variable used. Also the question mark for 32 bits unsigned integers. Okay. Title str. This is our main header text. Notice that I added two sets of 0dh 0dh at the end. The first set breaks the line and the second set creates the exactly blank empty line required by our lab manual before the prompts begin. Prompt 1 up to total heading. These are the rest of our user interface text prompt. They all end with a 0 to mark the end of the string safely. Okay. Now let's move to the executable code block. Okay. For the line 20x, move eds, offset title str. This load our title string and print it to the screen along with the blank space. Okay. Move eds. For this one, move eds offset prompt 1 and call it as well. This pause the console, reads the number the user types from the keyboard and automatically place it into the ES register. So for call read that this decimal read, it reads 32-bit unsigned integer into ES since we have okay. Move site hex1 to ES. This copies the value out of ES and save it safely into our memory variable. Okay, moving to the next. This repeat that. This one is repeat as the site hex1 as well. Exactly the same steps to print the second prompt. Read the value and save it into site hex2. Now, next is the calculation phase. The let rule say we must loop and add instead of using multiplication. Okay. First of all, we have line 48, move ECX 6. This set our loop counter register to 6 because hexagon has 6 sides. Move EX 0. This clear out our accumulator register so our addition starts refresh from 0. Okay, L1. L1 is labeled and add EX. Then site hex1. L1 is labeled and add EX site hex1. This adds our first site length value into the running total inside EX. Move parameter hexagon 1 EX. This save our completed running total into our first parameter variable. Okay, moving forward. Yes, the loop 2 loop block. This. Okay. This run the exact same logic for the second hexagon and save the result into parameter hexagon 2. Okay, I will not explain this one so because I have explained it before. Okay. Finally, we print out our result. Move edx offset. Okay. And next we add parameter. Next we add the two parameter and save in the total parameter variable. So this is the code. Move EX to parameter second one and add them and total up. Okay, finally we print out our result. Move EDX result in heading, result heading and call right string. This print our result section header. Okay. And then move EEX parameter second one, call right decimal. This move our calculated number into EEX, so right decimal can print it as a decimal number. Call CRLF, push the cursor to a new line right after. The rest of the right, this one. This print out the second parameter and the final total parameter heading and value. So finally we have exit. Okay, let's see the output. Okay, I will enter 21 for hexagon 1 since the question in the lab has we have to fulfill the right the same as this one, 21 and 32. We need to have the same output as the report. So I will put 21 and at the hexagon 1 and 32 for hexagon 2. Okay. As you can see, our blank space layout is perfectly placed right beneath the main title. The result of the parameter for hexagon 1 is 126 and hexagon 2 is 192. And the total parameter, we add both of them and we got 318 just like this sample output given. Okay. That's all from me. Thank you.